So here's Fothergilla, and this is Blue Shadow. And I like to get plants when they're strutting their stuff, and this one's just hitting it right now. It's got a bottle brush type flower. Its parents are both natives, which I know a lot of people are fans of. And I'm showing you the plant in bloom, but you folks probably know how infatuated I am with plants that offer multiple seasons of interest. Blue Shadow's one. So you got this really interesting flower, slightly fragrant. I wouldn't say it's really fragrant. Then when the foliage emerges, it comes out truly a bluish color. I mean, it's notably like a powder blue. And that will persist throughout the growing season. So you have interesting foliage. You have a really cool flower. You have native. And throw on top of that, Fothergilla is just, the fall color is phenomenal. So this plant's offering you several different seasons. We've probably talked about Fothergilla before and probably talked about Blue Shadow. But I don't know that I ever have featured the flower on this thing when it's in full bloom. Will tolerate a little bit of shade, does well in full sun. Again, well-drained soil for the most part. You know, along wood lines and more of a natural type environment in the landscape. It's a very good plant. Fairly bulletproof. To my knowledge, it's not a deer favorite. Not a lot of insects and diseases that get this one. So this is Fothergilla, and it's a cross between Fothergilla major and Fothergilla gardenii. And 5-6 feet tall, probably 3 to 4 feet wide, very slow growing. Really cool plant.